being quiet for 5 minutes.
That's right. Okay. We'll do that next time.
It does.
Well, the Octopath Traveler soundtrack is super
good.
yeah. I highly recommend you pick it up if you're like a fan of just video game music or like classic, like, I don't know, Final Fantasy style, like battle music, because the way it's done is just so perfect and it fits the whole setting of that game.
And it's not repetitive at all.
No.
You can have that battle music on in the background and it not get annoying, which is very rare.
Yeah, that is great. It's a great game so far. I love the variety of the the player special moves. You know, the ability to simply follow you, summon somebody in battle, or just start a fight with somebody on the spot. Like, I really like that. You know, the characters, the scenarios are similar, but they all have their own special little touches.
Yeah.
And I brought up this game called Life Alive, which is sitting on my desk. It's a Square title from way back when that never came out in the West, and that game was split into lots of different chapters, and each chapter actually played differently too. So each chapter had a different creator, a different theme. One was wrestling, one was set in China, one was set on a spaceship, and those all had different gameplay systems. And like, after playing one of the sections for a couple of minutes, you're like, oh man, I really like the other system better, and then you're stuck with a whole story with an inferior battle system. Whereas like this one, it feels well tuned, well tweaked. Doesn't have quite that variety, but it's just a really charming and cool.
Yeah, I guess the biggest criticism that it's been getting is that like each path, they don't really like intersect with each other very often, which I guess is a little disappointing, but at the same time, I'm still like really enjoying switching between the different paths, and I found that actually eliminates a lot of the tedious grinding that you experience, like especially in games like Bravely Default, which was this developer's like previous RPG, or this same team's previous RPG.
Yeah.
So like, I got to a point in Theron's story where I think it was like the end of chapter 2, there's a boss you have to fight. You have to be like level 22, and I think I was only level 16, so I went to go play Primrose's story, leveled my way all the way up to that final boss, then